If you want a brighter smile without expensive treatments, stay with me. These 3 natural teeth whitening hacks are simple, fast, and can be done at home, but you must know how to use them safely. Let's get into it. Hack number 1. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, mixed with fresh lemon juice. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a powerful, mild abrasive. This abrasive texture helps break down surface stains on your teeth, making them appear whiter. Lemon juice adds natural acidity that boosts the whitening effect. However, and this is important, use this method only occasionally. The acid from the lemon can weaken enamel if used too often. For best results, apply the mixture gently, leave it on your teeth for a short moment, and rinse well. It's one of the most popular natural whitening home remedies, but it must be used with care. Hack number 2. Activated charcoal mixed with toothpaste. Activated charcoal is widely known for pulling out impurities, toxins, and stains. Many people use it as a natural whitening solution, but you need to know the safety notes. When swallowed, activated charcoal can cause black stools, black tongue, vomiting, and constipation. It may also interfere with medications, so always talk to your doctor if you're taking supplements. For whitening, use a small amount, mix it with your toothpaste, brush gently, and rinse thoroughly. It's effective for removing surface stains, but use it only a few times a week to avoid damaging enamel. Hack number 3. Amla powder mixed with lemon. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. When combined with lemon, it becomes a strong natural brightening mixture. Amla supports gum health, reduces bacteria, refreshes breath, and can help gradually lighten stains on teeth. This is a gentle method, but consistency is the key. Use it lightly and rinse well after each application. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these dental care tips, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment sharing your teeth whitening story, and send this video to a friend who wants a brighter smile. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps this useful content coming. Now, let's answer the big question. How effective are these natural whitening hacks really? They work for surface stains, coffee, tea, smoking, food pigments, and they can make your teeth look brighter over time. But remember, they do not change the natural color of your enamel. They cannot fix deep discoloration. Overuse of acids or abrasives can harm enamel. For safe whitening, natural remedies are helpful, but the best long-term results still come from professional dental whitening or dentist-approved products. Use these methods carefully, stay consistent, and always protect your enamel. A healthy smile is a bright smile.